Hello and welcome to the Forge. It's been a while, but I have a task I need to do today, and it's gonna mean need to fire up the Forge so that I can get it accomplished. I'm working on fixing my washing machine, and to do that I need to hold a hook to hold the drain hose up. And so I'm going to turn this cup hook that I made into a hook to hold up the hose. All right, so let's get the Forge warming up. So I can get the steel in there. Smithing work is a lot of staring into a forge and going, are we hot yet? Are we hot yet? Throw that anywhere. The always fun thing of hot steel on the ground. Those were not the tongs I wanted to grab. That's part of the problem. seems to fill my vision. Just make sure that that is straight. It is not. Get that back in there a little bit. Doesn't have to be super hot. In this case, I just gotta get it hot enough to be flat. Hot enough that I can get it flat. There we go. And there we go. Bury that in there for a while. Turn everything off. All right, take two on this. Okay, here we have the hook in place, holding the hose for our wash machine, because that was part of what was causing the leak that we were having.